Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me, Krishna, again in this channel that always give you the information about places in Bali with the update situation. How are you today? I hope you're doing good, stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Okay, this afternoon I'm here in Sanur area and I would like to walk around here. This is Jalan Danau Tamlingan in Sanur, but if you go straight there on that street, you will go to Duyung Beach, guys. But this time, let's walk along this street and later let's go to Jalan Kusumbasari and then let's stop at Semawang Beach, guys. So don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. Okay, so as you can see, the situation at the moment, or today, this afternoon, it's still raining, guys. It's raining since morning, I think, and most of the area in Bali is raining now, so it's a bit not really good weather, especially if you want to go out and see the places. But you don't need to worry. I mean, most of the places are still open. Shops that we passed by earlier is open, and this is the restaurant. They are preparing themselves for dinner. And in the front there also there's a nice cafe. They are open as well, guys. But as you can see, the situation is very quiet. I think most of the tourists, they like to stay at their hotel with this kind of weather. Some of you asked me how is the weather situations in Bali. Now we are entering our raining season, and sometimes this is what happened in Bali during the raining season, like a whole afternoon raining. And it's a bit unpredictable weather, guys, in Bali. Sometimes we have rain like this, and then the next few days we have nice weather, sun shining. You don't need to worry, you still can do like normal activities because the temperature is the same, around 28 degrees Celsius. So you still can walk outside with your tank tops or shorts, no problem. It's a good idea just to bring umbrella, guys. If you don't have one, you can, I think, borrow from your hotel where you stay, like these two guests in front of me. They even bring extra umbrella, maybe for the family members or friends. Okay, so let's continue. Here is Apa Kabar restaurant. They are open and there are some restaurants also in front like Tutoria, Yakiniku restaurant. All are open, guys. I think all of them, they are preparing themselves for dinner. So if you stay around here and would you like to have dinner in this area, you don't need to worry where to go. You have a lot of options. You have Italian restaurant, or if you like to try Indonesian food. And if you like to try Indian food here, I think in the front, as on the left side, there is Indian restaurant, which is Gateway of India. So where you can try a lot of Indian food. So basically, so far, this is what is happening in Sanur, guys. Shops open, restaurants, spa, all are open. Here is Ganesha restaurant, and there are so many scooters here. I don't know if it belong to the staff or the guests. There are some cars as well. Their sign says 200,000 rupiah for brunch, all you can eat. As you can see, the situations, guys, is very quiet. I think most of the guests still at their hotels, or maybe later during dinner time it will be a lot of people around in this area. And here in the front of us is the gelato. Even though it's raining, still some people like to try or to have gelato, guys. How about you? Have you tried that gelato before? It's very famous, Massimo Gelato. And here on the left side, what it is, 69 slams or something. They are open and giving like 50% off. Good deal, isn't it? Money Changer is open and Claudia Spa is open. So if you like to have some massage, maybe you can come here. But anyway, in Sanur there are a lot of spas like Claudia or Carla Spa. Maybe some of you have your own preference. Where would you like to go for a spa? Or you can share your experience with us. You can write down in our comment section. So if other people need some spa, maybe can take your recommendation. And here in the front of us is the roundabout in Sanur. So if you go to the right, you will go to Danau Street. But if you go straight, you will go to Jalan Cemara, we call it. Where is the Puri Santrian, Rama Hotel Sanur. And also if you like to go to Mercure Hotel, you can go there. Okay, so let's continue, guys. We are entering Jalan Kusumasari. It will lead us to go to Semawang Beach, guys. But before we reach the beach, let's see what is happening around in this area. Here on the left side is a nice hotel. I think this is the Art Hotel. And they have their restaurant as well. It's Lidah Lokal or something like that. Do you know what does it mean by Lidah Lokal? Lidah means taste or tongue, basically to taste. So local taste, something like that. Here on the right side, there is another restaurant open as well. I think what it is, Japanese or Chinese. I hope the rain will not getting heavier, guys, so that I can finish this video. And here on the left side, this is the Taman Palem Hotel. There are a lot of statues outside of the hotel. It looks nice from outside, but I never been inside. Have you been to that hotel before? And here in the front of us, this is the Holiday Inn in Sanur, guys. It's really big hotel. I think it's a good location because it's close to the beach and also close to the Sanur Center, we call it, where there are a lot of restaurants, cafes, spas, and etc. And next here is the Intercontinental Hotel, guys. It was Fairmont Hotel before, but now they changed the name. I think they have changed the management into the Intercontinental Hotel in Sanur. It's a really nice hotel actually. They have access to the beach. And next to the hotel here, there is a village temple, which is Pura Dalam, we call it. And when there is a ceremony, people in this area will come to pray. Here is Kusumasari Cottage. This is Semawang Beach, guys, or Pantai Semawang. Let's walk around a little bit and let's see how is the beach. course, it's very quiet, guys. With this kind of weather, not a lot of people like to go to the beach. But here, this cafe in front of us is open. Anyway, this cafe started to open not long ago. I came here as well during their opening. It's look nice, isn't it? And they have some places to sit here by the beach. But during raining time, no one can sit here, I think. But it looks nice. And this is the beach situations, guys. For me, the beach is okay. I mean, it's not really good, but okay. I mean, if you stay around in Sanur. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's short video from Sanur area. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.